Hello, I'm James Bryden from CLPM. Today I'm going to talk about how to choose the best heating system for your home. It's an area which is often taken for granted, but it's such an important part of our homes that it should be given serious thought. We would certainly not recommend you just leave your plumber to decide when he arrives on site. So if you want to make sure you install the heating system that's best for you, firstly gather information about your property relating to the building type and the current heating system. Here are some ideas of what to look for. It's also a good idea at this time to understand what you're spending on your heating bills as well. And if you're building a new property, how detailed and comprehensive are your heating plans? Your heating arrangements should be determined alongside your overall design. The second step is then to decide what you want to achieve. Here at CLPM, we believe in an integrated approach, so if you want to improve your comfort of your home, then you need to look at its fabric as well as the system you use to heat it. After all, a poorly insulated, drafty home will be expensive to heat whatever system you install. This applies whether your project is renovating a Victorian cottage, a 1960s semi, or if you're building a brand new property. Consider what improvements might be required to your home's fabric, i.e. installing more energy efficient glazing or adding more insulation. What level of energy efficiency is appropriate for your type of home? The energy performance aims you set for your home, combined with the budget available, will drive your decision making. Step 3 is to consider your lifestyle. We all have different lifestyles, so it's crucial you pick a heating and hot water system with this in mind. For an example, an ultra-efficient combi boiler with radiators can be an ideal choice for busy working couples with a smaller property who need to heat up their home and get lots of hot water fast. Underfloor heating run via an air source heat pump may certainly be a greener option. It is certainly not appropriate to all property types and may be slower to react than your typical gas boiler. Step 4 is about researching your options. Investing in energy efficiency measures and installing a modern heating solution will help future-proof your home, improve its saleability and its value. However, it's important to note that every house and family is different and there's no one solution fits all. For those without mains gas, oil boilers and electric storage heaters are inefficient, but it can be difficult, unless you're an expert, to determine which combination of traditional or renewable technologies would be the most appropriate replacement. Likewise, if you're extending or building a new home, it's not always easy to decide how to upgrade or design a new system. Air and ground source heat pumps are great, but they aren't always the best option. Often the simple reconfiguration of your control system you have can make an enormous difference to your home's comfort and running costs too. We hope you found this video useful. Choosing the best heating system for your home has never been more complex, so it's crucial you make an informed decision. That's why it makes sense to get some independent advice from a company such as CLPM. We're experts on all of the latest systems, and you can be assured that the advice we give will be tailored to your specific needs and in your best interests. To find out more, just drop us an email, contact us via our website, or give us a call. Thanks for listening.